Hello, good morning, my beloved students, grade 2. So today is the English class with Mr. Martin. For today, Mr. Martin have a learning video for you, to watch and to listen, of course. Today we will talk about Unit 5. Please open your Happy Campers book, page 40. So in Unit 5, we will learn a new vocabulary about animals. So how many of you love animals? Or maybe do you have pets in your house? Yeah, so if you have pets in your house, so it means that you have animals, right? So you know animals. But today we not just talk about the vocabulary about animals, but we also learn about new sentence or new sentence pattern about have, has, and then don't have and doesn't have. Kita akan belajar tentang having atau kepemilikan, oke? Bagaimana cara penggunaannya, kemudian what is the difference between have and has. Supaya nanti diperhatikan baik-baik ya. But before it, let's see these animals first, So what kind of animals that we can see from this picture? This one. So this animal has a trunk. Trunk apa trunk? Bukan trunk batang pohon ya, tapi trunk itu belalai atau long nose ya. This animal has trunk and this animal have big ears and big body. What animal is it? This one. It is an elephant. Oke, an ya, bukan a elephant, tapi an elephant. Kenapa? Karena just one elephant and the very first word is begin with the vocal or vowel word, so it's called an elephant. Ya, jangan sampai lupa. Next, this animal is so fierce, and this animal has sharp teeth. This animal is so, what is it, is so dangerous, so you cannot, this animal is not tame, and this animal live in Africa. This animal have a yellow color, and this animal has hair on the head. What animal is that? Yeah, it is a lion. A lion is the king of animal, Maybe some of you, or maybe you know about Simba. Simba is a lion too, right? Next, this animal has a big body, but this animal has four short legs, and then it has short tail, and it has big head like an egg. Yeah, so this animal you can find in the zoo, or usually swimming, or it is swimming inside the water, and it likes to eat vegetable mostly. What animal is it? Yeah, it is hippo. Nice. Then this animal has a long neck and then long forelegs. What is it? Yeah, it's definitely giraffe, This one. This animal is giraffe. Then this animal is very dangerous. It lives in the river, and it has green color and thick skin. Thick itu apa? Thick itu tebal. Oke, kulitnya tebal. What animal is it? And you know that this animal has a long mouth and with a sharp teeth. Yeah, it is a crocodile. Nice. Next, this animal has two wings and always fly when the night comes. What animal is it? Yeah, it is a bat. Yeah, usually when you use a bat, maybe you know about the vampire. Yeah, so mostly people think that when a bat comes, so maybe they can change become vampire. But that's just a story. The next one. This animal is very very slow. It lives on a tree. It has four legs, and this animal always sleep every day. What animal is it? It's very slow. If you see the movie of about animals, yeah, you have it. Okay, what animal is it? Yeah, this is a sloth. Sloth, this one, yeah, is very slow, and yeah, if I think they eat vegetables or maybe eat fruit, something like that, and always live on a tree. Next one, this animal is like uh, it's very like to eat. They like to eat banana, and this animal it's very funny. It has four. Yeah, maybe it's like human. Yeah, it has actually four legs, but the upper legs is for the hand, and the down leg is for the foot or the feet. You know the animals. It is a monkey. Yeah. So monkey is very love with banana and vegetable. Yeah. So that's about the new vocabulary. Now as Mr. Martin have said right when Mr. Martin say it has long tail, it has two ears, and etc. Has di sini menyatakan kepunyaan. Jadi seperti elephant has a trunk. Elephant mempunyai belalai. Kalau di sini the giraffes, because there are two giraffes, have four short legs. Kalau bendanya lebih dari satu, hewannya lebih dari satu, tidak menggunakan has, tapi menggunakan have. Apa bedanya? Mari kita lihat PowerPoint-nya Mr. Martin. This one. Oke. Nah, nanti bisa di-download ya di Classroom. This is the sentence pattern for have, has untuk kalimat positif. Untuk kalimat negatifnya menggunakan don't have dan doesn't have. Ada perbedaan juga di sini. Kita mulai dari have has dulu. Dilihat di sini, diperhatikan baik-baik ya. If the subject is singular or tunggal, jadi hanya ada satu subjek, verbnya, kata kerja kepemilikannya menggunakan has. Oke, selalu pasti menggunakan has. For example, this one, the lion has big eyes, karena tidak ada s di belakang lion. So, pasti menggunakan has. And then it itu juga cuma satu, pasti menggunakan has juga. It has a long tail. Jadi setiap subjek atau hewan yang jumlahnya hanya satu, orang juga bisa ya pasti. Subjek itu kan tidak hanya hewan, manusia terutama, benda yang jumlahnya satu, dan ingin menunjukkan kepemilikan. For example, she has. Tapi kalau untuk orang hanya he, she, he dan she sama nama orang ya yang bisa menggunakan has. Kalau I walaupun hanya satu, dia tidak bisa menggunakan has tapi menggunakan have. Oke. The lion atau what kind of animal kalau hanya satu menggunakan has. Kemudian kalau bentuknya plural atau jamak lebih dari satu. Ini the monkeys. Karena ada huruf S ya, berbeda dengan lion ya, jangan bingung. Dulu sudah diajarkan kan di semester 1, plural dan singular. Kalau ada huruf S seperti ini berarti plural atau jamak lebih dari satu. Berarti menggunakan have. Oke. The monkeys have itu small ears. Kemudian kata ganti subjeknya adalah they. They, mereka, oke. They have 4 short legs. Jadi itu perbedaannya. Kalau hanya tunggal menggunakan has, kalau lebih dari satu menggunakan have. Paham ya? Gampang dicerna ya. Oke, berikutnya itu tadi positif. Kalau bentuk negatif, nah ini dia menggunakan don't have atau doesn't have. Perbedaannya apa? Di belakangnya sama-sama have ya, karena ini menggunakan kata kerja bantu. Do itu disebut dengan kata kerja bantu atau auxiliary. Nah, kalau subjeknya tunggal menggunakan doesn't. Does tulisannya. Dibacanya doesn't. Jadi doesn't have. Kalau jamak menggunakan don't. Oke. Jadi perbedaannya di situ. Kalau tunggal pakainya doesn't untuk menyatakan tidak punya. An elephant doesn't have small ears, betul kan? Seekor gajah tidak memiliki telinga yang kecil, tapi telinganya gede kalau gajah. Kemudian the crocodiles, nah ada S-nya, berarti lebih dari satu. Don't have fluffy skin, tidak punya kulit yang halus atau empuk. Nah, karena kulitnya kan tajam-tajam itu, kasar, tebel. Nah, itu perbedaannya ya, don't have dan doesn't. Oke, paham di sini ya. Next, ini untuk pertanyaan, untuk kalimat pertanyaannya, are they have long legs? Jadi, oh, I'm sorry guys. So di sini seharusnya do, bukan bukan to be. Sematin rubah dulu di sini supaya tidak salah. Do they have, karena sudah menggunakan verb di sini. Di sini menggunakan does. Oke, should have. Nah, this one. Kalau di sini menggunakan to be kayak are atau is, jadi jawabannya nanti di sini tidak menggunakan kata kerja tapi kata sifat. Contohnya kayak are they fast atau are they tall atau is it fast. Nah, karena di sini ada kata kerja, jadi menggunakan do atau does ya, sama seperti bentuk negatif tadi. Do they have long legs? Does it have fat body? Di sini bukan has tapi have karena sudah ada das di sini. Oke, paham ya? Di situ ya, nanti sambil dikerjakan quiz reviewnya. Oke, nanti kalau misalnya masih belum paham bisa teks Miss Martin. Tapi ini bisa dibaca kok, bisa dibaca berulang-ulang, bisa dipahami. Oke, kita kembali lagi ya ke Happy Campers. Nah, berarti di sini jawabannya apa anak-anak? Mari kita kerjakan bersama-sama. Nah, nomor 2, berarti ini kalimat positifnya. They, apa jawabannya? Have atau has? Ya, they have. Jadi geser. Oke, wait. Kenapa tidak bisa digeser? Nah, they have. Oke. Next, number 3. It have atau has? Yes, it has. Number 4. Kalau ada satu seperti ini berarti dia positif. Berarti it has juga. Next, number 5. It. Nah, ini bentuk negatifnya. Kalau it tadi, bentuk negatifnya pakai don't apa doesn't? Yes, doesn't have long legs. Oke, let's check. Nah, nice. Oke, paham ya? Sambil dikerjakan di rumah. Oke, nah next, let's see the video for a while sebelum kita akhiri dan mengerjakan quiz review dari Mr. Martin. Di sini ada cerita si Cody sedang di zoo. Let's see the video together, guys.
Happy camp, happy camp. Are they African elephants?
No, they aren't. They're Asian elephants.
They have small ears. African elephants have really big ears.
Wow! Is a hippo fat?
Yes. James, is it slow?
Hippos have short legs, but they aren't slow. They're fast.
Baby crocodiles have lots of teeth. Are they big teeth?
Oh, no, they aren't. But big crocodiles have big teeth.
Oh no! Look at your photo, Alex. The giraffe doesn't have a head.
Sorry. Giraffes are very tall and thin,
And they have long legs.
Happy camp, happy camp, happy camp.
Okay, that's it. Oh, ternyata we have a small. The elephant have small ear for Asian elephant, tapi tetap for us the elephant is big ya. Okay, so that's the video ya about the animals, and Cody tell about kepemilikannya, kepunyaannya, have, has. Nah, okay, so it's getting clear ya how is the difference, what is the difference between have and has. Nah, yuk kita isi sinonim dulu nih. Nah, ini ada sinonim di sini. Mari kita coba isi bersama-sama. Kok sinonim? Antonim, lawan kata. Nah, number one, look at the cat. The cat, the left cat in here has fat atau thin. Ya, this one kalau gendut, gemuk itu fat body. And this one, this cat, the contrary atau the antonym of this cat is thin. Nah, itu kurus. Next, the bear is big, but the mouse is small. Nice. This one, the rabbit is very fast, but the turtle is the antonym of rabbit. It's very slow. It moves slowly. Let's see. Nice. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, that's about the antonym. Okay, so I think you can do it. And let's see this one. This match. Okay, ini hanya mencocokkan. You can do it by yourself. Is it big teeth atau is it slow? Ayo. Kalau is it big teeth kan nggak bisa, karena kan di sini ada to be. Kalau ada to be itu pasti menunjukkan kata sifat. Nah, di sini yang menunjukkan kata sifat adalah slow. Coba kita kerjakan. Nah, are they? Is it slow? Is it slow? Are they fat? Let's see. Okay. Is it big fit? Oh, this one. Try again. Is it are they African elephant? Let's see. Let's change. Now, are they African elephant? Nah, this one menanyakan apakah itu gigi yang besar? Nah, berarti is it big fit? Kalau misalnya menanyakan apakah dia punya gigi yang besar, nah itu baru does it have a big fit? Nah, kalau menanyakan apakah itu gigi yang besar, boleh pakai ini, is it big fit? Nah, this one fat. This one ya, the hippo maksudnya ya. So, are they fat? Nah, let's see. No, is it fat ya? Berarti ya di sini ya, ternyata beda. Okay, that's fine. Let's see together. Is it fat? Berarti di sini are they big teeth? Oh, mungkin karena ada dua hippo ya, jadi mungkin maksudnya apakah giginya besar-besar? Let's see. Oh ya, that's correct. Oke ya. Jadi di sini tetap sama ya. Karena di sini menunjukkan kata sifat, maka di depan pasti menggunakan to be. Tidak ada yang menggunakan do karena tidak menanyakan kepemilikan. Karena have itu kan kata kerja. Jadi kalau mau menanyakan kepemilikan have atau has harus menggunakan do di paling depan, kata kerja bantu. Oke. Understand ya after this point. So I think that's all for today guys for unit 5. Nanti on the next week we will continue at Zoom. Next week we will have Zoom with Mr. Martin. Kita akan tetap bahas unit 5. After this, please do the quiz review for unit 5. Dikerjakan di Google Form. Jadi tidak perlu dikumpulkan, tidak perlu disubmit. Disubmitnya lewat Google Form, langsung terekam nilainya. Okay? So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't skip this video please ya, because you need to understand about the have, has, doesn't have, and don't have. Okay, so keep safe, keep healthy. Bye bye.